So we're outside now.
Kind of like another car.
Yeah, let's go. He looks so nice. We are heading to have some birthday dinner.
Nice.
He ain't want to match, and look, we match and get compliment right away. I know what's good for you. Just listen to me. Next time, what, babe?
The next time is a different Greg
Slim Tender. Slim Tender. You might be saying something. Yeah, I keep messing with my hair because I like it. And usually when I have something new, I play with it a lot. Just to get adjusted, I guess, in a sense. We made it. Hi, yeah. You want some?
Long life, prosperity.
Yeah. And more money. Oh.
Mother's ganja.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one. This place is so beautiful. We're sitting at the bar right now. Yeah, we just took a shot. Oh, by the way, happy hour is from 4 to 7, Monday to Friday. Okay. Don't threaten me with a good time. That was good.
Ready food?
Are they?
Dining experience today because this is your birthday. We lay down the red carpet for you because you deserve
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. This is so pretty. So, like, we reached and they put out a red carpet for Greg because it was his birthday. And they said because he's royalty. I know that's right. That was nice. That was a nice greeting. And our table looks so pretty. Look, guys. Our table looks so nice.
Hi, how we doing, y'all?
Hi. Y'all, that shot is getting to me. Greg is regular. Let's see. Let me see what I want to try. That's it, Greg? Oh, lamb chop.
Oh, they have lamb chop?
Yep.
Right.
You gonna bring it? I already checked it, babe.
Really nice to them.
Lamb chop. Lobster roll. Let me see. Blue crab from the sea. Old bay shrimp. Blue crab, garlic, butter, shrimp, scampi, shrimp.
We have the pina colada here for you, ma'am. We also have the
Thank
watermelon
you.
lemonade for you, sir. Give you guys just a little bit more time with this one.
Yeah, a few more minutes. I'm almost done.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, that shot What the name was the alcohol? Was the tequila, Greg? Me something, right? Greg be the same way when he drinks. There's no difference, really. It be me. Greg be the same way. Anyway, I got a virgin pina colada. Only because the shot, I could feel it a lot. I could feel it a lot. It's Bae's birthday. My husband is 39. 39 and 5. Right, babe?
Awesome.
Oh, which one is? We would like to try the Wagyu.
Yeah, absolutely. That's going to be the prime ribeye right here.
Okay.
Make sure we get it marked
Okay,
off.
thank you.
How would you like that prepared this evening?
Well done.
Well done. Perfect. Awesome. I'll leave that right there in case we want to order some more
Thank
food.
you.
I'll be right out with this, and then also right before we get the food out, I will have to remove the decorations. That way there's space for the food.
Oh, okay, no problem. Crab cake, calamari, wings. Time to eat, chow down. Taste the shot. Okay. I quick these salmon cakes. Crab cake. Greg, this is really good. Calamari. Yummy. I'll take a mad bag. Lobster rolls. I'm not too sure what that is. Put a little bit of that on here, right? Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Routine. Sorry.
What kind of sauce is that?
Chili sauce.
Chili. Thank you. Your husband. Don't burn yourself, babe. Okay, I'm gonna try some of the rice with steak. You never had that fish before, right, babe? What kind of fish is that? Sea bass? So this is a lobster roll. It looks like on a toasted garlic bread. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Very good, babe.
No, I'm not going for that.
Thank you. Appreciate it. This is a lamb chop.
Ooh.
Yeah, babe. Greg said the fish is really good. He don't need nothing else. Let me try one of these. I'm not too sure what kind of shrimp this is. Praise God. This is lamb chop. I feel like I'm at a food tasting. I feel like I'm at a food tasting.
How is all of our entrees so far?
Very good.
Napkins?
Napkins, yes sir. I'll be right back with that. Also, would you care for me to debone the fish?
No, I got this.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
I'm from the island.
Yes sir, yes sir. I'll be right back with some extra napkins.
Okay.
Is there anything else I could grab for y'all at the moment here?
No,
Perfect.
we're
Y'all
pretty
enjoy.
good. Thank you.
Thank you.
One thing about them, they want you to eat. They want you to eat. It's like we know what it is, so please eat as much as you can. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
If you got food there at the right place, you put that. I'm telling you.
that. This is Wagyu. So let me get a little of the steak sauce on there. Okay, let's try it now. Okay. I see what's happening.
Boy, I with you.
Why are you saying that?
Fuck I say, after you starve yourself, you go to it. Shut it. We ain't gonna put that on it.
This says lobster mac and
What is
cheese.
our favorite?
I really,
everything.
yeah, I like everything. Yeah, I can't really say.
Okay. Grab for y'all maybe some extra tartar sauce or drinks. Or...
Yeah, is that tartar sauce?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Absolutely. I'll bring
Thank
over
you.
some more tartar sauce. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Would you like me?
This is lobster mac and cheese. I should be like, oh gosh, like what's this? Oh. Me and the lobster's matching. But you ready to bust? Amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, we're right. Oh, so two coming out? Oh.
Here's my third one. Record? Oh, yeah, cold savvy. I don't know how to get all of this out.
Sabi on it.
Oh.
Before I anything else.
Greg, what a napkin. This squirted all over.
Yeah, I tell you,
She on video? This is a call for on video. Girl.
Sabi, the place nice here for. It's nice, Sabi.
Thank you.
Just wanted to see if we wanted to order some more food.
No, not. Yeah, thank
I'm
you.
going to go out breeze.
Thank you.
I forgot I breeze right there, Sabi, because I didn't take anything out. You never know what. A long time. I went there for next week.
I think I want to try this.
That one you never know. Where you want to try?
Can I? Oh, I didn't. Oh, yeah. You
Yeah,
can take
I'll be
it.
right back with a new plate for you.
Okay, thank you.
Absolutely.
Your friend, I working there, Sabi. Where you going to try now?
I'm going to try the baked salmon with truffle lobster sauce. Yow.
That one you never know the place, Sabi. I bust it there. And she at work. I watch me, I watch her at work.
Oh, y'all, now I got some salmon. Let me see, I need a spoon. Greg, do you have a spoon over there? Huh?
So that's
Yeah, it does. Now let's try. Yep. One. A little. Thank you. Yeah. You don't know, it may be something on here you didn't try.
Ooh.
Oh, Greg, you didn't see. They got lobster ragoon. Like crab ragoon. I'm gonna try that one. Greg, stop.
Oh, yes, sir.
Y'all, look at Greg.
I told Chuck make a car if you get that car. The most that
This was his.
Yeah, I'm a
And
boss.
he didn't even. What did you eat? What did you eat? This place is for people like me.
Yeah. Yeah, right?
We should have switched. You should have brought me here, Greg, for my birthday. My husband is shaming me. Greg said there's no way. This is why, listen, this is why they say, do not start dating a woman until you have a job. Us women love to eat. Look at my tan. You can see it, man. It's so beautiful, you know. It's not too much, right? It's okay. Then they be having them like, I don't need all of that. Okay, you guys. So this is what is it, babe? Lobster ragoon. Let's try. You don't got no room to taste nothing? I told Greg I wondered if they have a dessert menu. Because they must. My husband is done with me.
Check in with you guys.
Yes, I want to try something else.
Absolutely.
I want to try the mussels marinara,
Muscle marinara, great choice.
clam marinara. I
And the
want to try
clam
both of them.
Absolutely.
And I want to try the grilled sweet corn.
And the grilled sweet corn.
Yeah.
Absolutely. The mussels, the clams, and the grilled sweet
Sweet
corn. We also have a duck confit on there. Do you guys care for duck?
No, not really.
Absolutely. Perfect.
Thank you.
Of course. Put that out of the way. Anything else I get out of the way for y'all?
No, that's it.
Absolutely.
So now I'm trying mussels and clam. Oh. Look at my husband. He been done laughing at me. All of this is mine. See. All right, let's go with the clam. How you eating it?
That particular burger part.
Okay. Okay, wait, but I want some sauce. Okay, that one, they got a little spice to it. Ooh, look at the clam. Okay, I never had a clam. Okay. They're very similar. They're spicy.
Yeah, I enjoy myself. I watch you and I'm doing this.
Why?
Tell me I enjoy
It just makes me look like a fat ass. And I thought he was the fat one. It's really her. Oh, thank you. I thought it was gonna be the long one. My husband sick.
So we're gonna start you off with some chocolate syrup. You are now living the sweet life one step at a time.
Oh.
Thank you, man.
Have you seen this before?
No.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Also, we have our chocolate in-house made cheesecake. That comes with some ice cream. You might be too old for this, but I tell people sugar can give you nightmares, and here you'll have your richest dreams.
I received that.
Aww.
If there was any problems today, don't worry. Because stress spelled backwards is desserts.
Yes.
Dessert we have. And with this special dessert we have, ladies and gentlemen, out here we have a birthday!
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Aww.
Happy birthday, King.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, look at him like a big kid. Oh, nice, babe. Make a wish. I better be a part of it. Look.
2,000 years later.
Nah, great.
No matter who.
So right now, right, I'm in the bathroom. First of all, the bathroom is beautiful. Let's be clear, the bathroom is very nice. And you have this toilet that the seat opens up. When you sit down, the temperature of your butt, it gets warm. The toilet freaking gets warm. The bathroom is beautiful. Look at the Saints cold. Okay. Babe, I gotta be careful because that's out. I was walking that way and I slid. And I was like, yo. That's why I'm looking for the bathroom. He was like, all right, come back this way. So, but this place, oh, you see, babe? The other one came off too.
Yes.
Good. Everything was great.
You kind of like
What we sharing until?
More life.
And
More
good
love.
sex. And good sex. Whoa.
Yeah. No, that's.
Whoa. Whoa. And he said no lime.
This not ash like that.
this one is like
Yeah.
It's a little smoother. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was really nice in here. But this is really, 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 really nice.